21 vegetarian keto recipes that don't skimp on flavor. On the keto diet but trying to eat fewer animal products? You don't need meat to infuse high-fat, low-carb dishes with flavor and richness. Here are 21 recipes that use cheese, vegetables, and herbs to create ketotarian meals you'll turn to again and again. 1. Pressure cooker ramekin eggs. This customizable recipe yields a cozy combination of eggs, veggies, and herbs in under 5 minutes any time of day. Scoop the final creamy concoction onto a bed of greens or keto cloud bread. 2. Macadamia nut Alfredo zoodles. Fettuccine Alfredo is creamy, comforting, and not at all conducive to a low-carb diet. This zoodle dish keeps the creamy and comforting components but is keto-friendly thanks to a sauce of macadamia nuts, olive oil, and nutritional yeast. 3. Instant Pot Vegetarian Frittata. Hosting brunch? This Instant Pot frittata keeps the oven and stovetop free for other dishes and yields an evenly cooked, easy-to-customize egg dish. 4. Mini cloud bread pizzas. Leave out the pepperoni or use a low-carb vegetarian substitute in these miniature pizzas. The fluffy crust comes from a mix of eggs, ricotta cheese, and cream of tartar. 5. Cheesy garlic roasted asparagus. Garlic bread gets about 90% of its tastiness from the toppings, which means that veggies can get in on the garlicky goodness too. Dress roasted asparagus with olive oil, garlic, and mozzarella, and you'll be reminded of your favorite carby appetizer. 6. Cheesiest spaghetti squash boats. Spaghetti squash is lower in carbs than other squash varieties, making it a keto-friendly pasta substitute in moderation. Follow this recipe exactly for a completely vegan meal, or replace the dairy-free ingredients with the regular versions for ultimate creaminess. 7. Asparagus and goat cheese frittata. This one-pan meal is creamy, springy, and easy enough to cook on a campsite. 8. Slow cooker spinach artichoke stuffed mushrooms. These meatless yet hearty shrooms will satisfy just about any kind of eater. Just omit the breadcrumbs. 9. Egg clouds, without crumbled bacon. These fluffy on the outside, runny on the insides eggs are just the dish for a lazy Saturday morning. 10. Zoodle pad thai. Use any of your favorite low-carb vegetables for this zoodle-based pad thai, which packs a punch from fresh ginger and chili flakes. For a keto-compliant dish, simply replace the soy sauce with coconut aminos, and skip the brown sugar. 11. Easiest roasted broccoli. A quick stint in the oven blesses broccoli florets with deep flavor and crispy edges. 12. 3 cheese Brussels sprouts. Creamy cheese sauce isn't just for pasta. Ladle this Gouda, feta, and mozzarella mixture over Brussels sprouts for bliss in every bite. Just omit the bacon. 13. Roasted garlic mashed cauliflower. The secret to this vegan mash is olive oil roasted garlic, which lends richness and sweetness to pureed cauliflower. 14. Easy green beans. The 3 B's, boiling, blanching, and buttering, transform fresh green beans from sad cafeteria vegetable to brilliantly crunchy side dish. 15. Green shakshuka. This tomatillo spiced bed of kale, spinach, and parsley proves that keto meals don't have to be heavy. 16. Cumin, cilantro, and lime cauliflower rice. Make this smoky, citrusy side once, and you'll vow never to eat plain cauliflower rice again. 17. Hasselback caprese salads. Individual caprese salads are delightfully creative and easy to serve to a crowd. Drizzle with olive oil instead of balsamic vinegar for a low-sugar dressing. 18. Zucchini lasagna. Thinly sliced zucchini and sugar-free tomato sauce yield a comfortingly low-carb meal. Make it vegetarian by omitting the ground meat or using a vegetarian substitute. 19. Spaghetti squash with avocado pesto. You'll soon want to put this creamy avocado pesto on everything from eggs to chicken. 20. Zoodles primavera. Use all zoodles or a combination of zoodles and konjac noodles in this slightly spicy, veggie-rich dish. Be sure to replace the white wine with vegetable stock, as the sugar in the wine won't cook off in the heat. 21. Steamed artichoke with garlic butter. If you've never cooked and eaten a whole artichoke before, use this step-by-step guide to learn how to steam the vegetable until tender and eat its leaves with garlic butter.